Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take a look at a few more features in Google Earth. Right now we're in the default view, and you'll notice at the bottom of the screen there's a number of images. These are a part of Google Earth's tour guide, and what happens here is as we rotate the globe, these images at the bottom are going to update depending on what part of the Earth we're centered on. Then we can come down here, we can click on the images or the videos, and what happens here is we zoom in on that location, and this one was a video, so it's going to play a short clip here that's going to go along the map. And when you're finished with it, you can just close out of it and then pick a new location. And that's going to automatically zoom in on that part. And this one's going to give us a bird's eye view, and then you can see there's some other images to choose from this area on the map. So that's tour mode, and I'm going to close out of that. And there's a few more things we can do with Google Earth. At the very top here you have a number of options, and a couple of the fun things here. Under this little Saturn image, we can click on this. We can go to Sky. But when we do that, instead of looking down at the Earth, we're looking up into the stars. And we can see all of the names here of all the different stars and parts of the galaxy, and we can see other galaxies. And we can zoom out just like we can with Google Maps. And there's obviously going to be a lot more information to look at here than on just Google Earth. Another option we have here is to go to Mars. This is going to look similar to Google Earth, except now we have a satellite image of Mars. And just like before, we can drag it around here. We can zoom in, and we can zoom out, and we can do the same thing with the moon. We can rotate, and we can see all of the different craters. Zoom in and zoom out. Now when we go back to Earth here, there's another option we have, and that is with the sun. So when we click on this little sun icon here, it's going to bring up a slider, and it's going to show the sunlight at different times of the day. So if I move it back this way, it's going to show the time, and you can see the sunlight changing as we go back. So that's a few of the options that you have when you're playing around with some of the extra features on Google Earth.